Hello, Evie. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. A belated welcome to GRA 220. This will be some video feedback for you on Milestone 1, which is the print ad. And if you have any difficulties in the next 4 weeks, don't hesitate to reach out. I post my contact information on in the announcements. I bid you strength. Evie, I know you questioned which files to submit. What I'm missing is your Illustrator file. But I should be able to open up, well, let's see, what is this? Is this your screenshots, perchance? Or no, let's see, let me zoom out. Oh, okay. So I'm going to attempt to open, let me address this here, graphic design wise. I like the simple image, the simple single image. It's very evocative. Simplicity. I like the simplicity of your tagline or slogan, which goes completely well with the simplicity of the imagery. You probably will need some kind of contact information, but when you add it, try to make it small and discreet. Think about maybe flopping the image, vertically on vertical axis, just to see if that makes any difference in what it conveys. And consider too that it may be a little bit too bare. I don't know. I think it was Le Corbusier, architect, who said less is more. And then I think a architectural critic of the 90s said less is a bore. So there's a fine line there. But you've got good ingredients. I would say keep it simple. Evie, you may not have known this, but you can open a PDF in Illustrator. And I'm going to attempt to do that. All right, let's see. It looks like you've outlined your text. Okay, that's okay. If you've used a special font, that it is good to convert it to outline format. This looks good. I see though that you do have several layers, and I can turn things on or off at will. Great job, and simple, really. I like how well that you have used the corporate palette, not only in your imagery, but of course, in the things like the logo and the typography. And the only thing I would, you might consider is something three-dimensional. I wouldn't say it's flat, but perhaps a mask from week 2 of an object. I don't know, trite as it may sound, a seashell. That's what's kind of coming to mind. A crystal, etc. That juts into and breaks the planar quality of this. So consider that a mask, small mask, a flower perhaps, tropical flower, that gives it some dimension and depth. There's really not much more I could say. I think it's exemplary in every respect. With some refinement and additional contact information, you'll create a refined artifact. Good going.